Today I'm gonna show you how to make a piano. Yes, a piano. First, get some white concrete, some white wool. White wool. Get a white wool, and then black wool, and then get nether bricks, some nether bricks here, and then first do this like 5 at least, and then you place the two in the middle with a black one, and then replace this one with a black one too, like that. Or to speed run it, just do it like this, like that. Yeah, like that. No, I made it wrong here. Like that, like that. Yeah, like that. And then yeah, you're finished. Then get the nether bricks here. Then put them at the edge of the stuff here. Yeah, then boom. That's how you make a piano. Pretty easy, Loki. Bye.